Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to do a quick update on how to install the firmware update for the AuCar 10.5-inch Tesla style screen. So what you're going to need is a blank USB thumb drive. This is just a 16 gigabyte. You want to make sure it's clean, nothing on it. So we're going to go ahead and plug it into the computer. So I'm gonna, when I email it to you, I'm just gonna email it to myself to show you how it's gonna come. It's gonna be update E. So I'm gonna attach this, and it's a pretty good size file. It's 1.2 gigabyte. So this, it may be going to, it'll probably go to a Google Drive link. So I'm going to go ahead and let it send, and then I'll show you exactly how to download it and everything. Okay, once the download completes, it's going to go to, I think, a Google file. So you'll click that. And then it's going to go on to, it'll say it couldn't preview the file, whatever. But you just download it, and then that will put it in your, I'm not going to do it, but it's because it's already in my downloads. So it's going to put it in your downloads. It's going to be right here. So what you want to do is you want to right-click it, copy, and then you're going to go over to your USB and paste. That's it. So it's gonna take just a minute to transfer, and it'll probably take a few minutes. And once it's done, we'll move on. It's now onto the USB thumb drive, and it's going to say update_E, and it's still zipped, so that's what you want. And then you'll go ahead and eject or remove your USB. And the next thing is we're going to go install it into the head unit. Once you have your head unit booted up and ready to go, you just take the USB drive and just choose one of the two USB ports and just plug in your thumb drive. Okay, so this will automatically come up. You don't have to do anything. So once I'm going to let it stop flashing here. So it should be downloading. We're going to give it just a second here. Okay, it stopped flashing now, so looks like it's completely connected. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and hit upgrade, apply update, okay, and now it's downloading. You'll see it's downloading. I usually get these USBs with the light in it so I know it's working and everything, and here it is. It's doing the update now. We'll go ahead and pause this while it loads in, and once it starts or is done uploading, it'll automatically restart. I didn't get the camera on in time, but it automatically does it. So when it's fully downloaded, it'll go and it'll automatically reboot. So we'll let it reboot here. And then I went ahead and pulled the USB stick out. And then it'll say loading, and then once it's done, it'll be all installed. So we'll go to the settings here. We'll see if we have the software version. And let's see here. It looks like it's the different, it's not the same as it was. So looks like it was all successful. And I believe we have it all installed. If you have any questions, or if you purchase this unit from me and need the update, I will email it to you. You can get a hold of me at caymanspider@gmail.com. Once again, this is only for my customers. Thanks so much.